I'm here to tell you, being relaxed by the fire, enjoying the nice weather, which is, to be honest, cloudy. What a good spring day just to get warmed up by the fire. Now that the winter is gone, I am so glad that I could warm up my feathers in this hot fire. What a day. Hey, Red, I got a question. Hey, what's up? Someone told me that y'all were going to camp this year. Is that right? Yep. Who told you that? I don't know. Someone told me in particular. It was Matilda, was it? Yeah, it was. What did I tell him? That we were going to camp outside of Florida this year? Oh yeah, I did tell him that. I'm so excited for that moment to come. Yeah. Now, don't get me wrong, but where is this located? It is located in Cleveland, Tennessee. Just north from here. Interesting. I've never been to camp before. You haven't? But what about the camps back in Arkansas? I was too afraid to go to camp because... Long story, okay? I'll explain it to you some other time when you get older. Why? I want to know now. I'll tell you. It's just when you get older, okay? About in the next 3 years or so. 3 years. All right, you win. It's so nice to be by the fire. You know what I mean? Yeah. The fire is just so nice and warm. It's not really that cold in my opinion, but it is chilly out here. Yeah. Red, I am completely nervous about going to camp this year. I don't know if I can handle this. Oh, hush your beak, Chuck. You can go to camp this year. But what about all the new people that we are going to get to meet? And I'm not good at introducing myself to new people. Oh, shush. You can do that. What about me introducing to you guys? That was... I wasn't going to say shameful, but that's not the right word I should be using. I should be saying more like afraid. What do you mean afraid? You've met us for quite a while now. It's been 15, 16 years since you've known us. Come on. You know, I guess you're right. Camp's going to be lots of fun. As a matter of fact, we actually do have a big announcement for you. We are now at 450 subscribers on the channel. That is correct. We are about 50 away from reaching 500 subscribers. And if you want us to reach 500, do us a favor. Click that like button, subscribe, and that notification bell to never miss any new videos that come to the channel soon, okay? Once we reach 500, we might go back to Disney to go to Magic Kingdom this time. Hollywood Studios was a banger, not gonna lie. But anyways, guys, we're gonna enjoy By the Fire just to get this moment into our brains. Yeah, I love the fire. I don't want to be too close to the fire because him and I don't want to explode our tails off. Yeah, you remember that last incident where we got too close to the fire without safety precautions? Oh, yeah, I remember that time. You almost blew up. Apparently, you were the one that blew up. Yeah, good point. But still, we need to take very safety precautions here. Yeah, that happened about 1 or 2 years ago. Yeah, I don't want that moment to come again. Let's just sit by the fire and relax.